I want to thank you and Ayushi Madam, sir, because both of you helped me a lot, sir. Because my problem solving approach completely changed from initial to now, sir. Initially, my approach was completely different, sir. But while seeing Exergic Pro, then my approach was completely changed, sir. And what is the most important thing is you have to work hard in the last 3 months, because last 3 months is the one which is deciding your gate marks, sir. Even though in those easy questions you used to tell some important points, sir, about where the student will be making mistakes. So I used to note them down, sir. Even now I have those notes. So I used to make notes where a student can make mistakes, sir. I used to keep a star mark, sir, because that was very important for me. Because I was the one, my accuracy was very low in GATE 2024. When I went to GATE exam, it was because it was easy, sir. It was completely along the flow. I started from the first question and till the end of the question, I did everything in the flow itself, sir. I did not used to put cycles like that, anything, sir.
Hello everyone. In this session, we have GATE 2025 topper Jeti Ganateja with us. He is from Visakhapatnam and he did his BTech from JNTU College of Engineering. This year, he took Exergic's full pro video course for GATE 2025 and Solve Combo, which is a combination of question bank and test series. So these three courses he took from Exergic. Congratulations to you, first of all.
Thank you, sir.
And let
Thank
us
you,
know
sir.
if this was your first attempt.
No, sir, it was not my first attempt. I think it's my fourth attempt, sir. I attempted in 2023, like in 2021, sir. My first attempt was in 2021. So at the time, I did not qualify, sir. So after that, I attempted in 2023. I got decent marks, like 44 marks I got. So I thought it was not sufficient for me. So I again attempted in 2024. In that year, I got 47 marks, sir.
Okay.
So I went for some interviews. So even I was not able to clear them. So this year again I prepared a little more. So I got 90.33 marks there.
Yes, so it's a huge jump, right?
This is my fourth attempt.
Last gate, your marks were
Yes, sir.
how
Yes,
much?
sir.
How much you told? 30?
47, sir.
Got it.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it. So it's a huge jump. Almost you doubled your
sir.
marks, right? So
Yes, sir.
something went very
Yes, sir.
correct
Yes, sir.
this time. So what change you made in your
Correct, sir.
strategy?
Yes, sir.
What was different this year in your preparation that doubled your
Uh,
marks?
uh, Actually, everything went very well, sir, this year. I got a proper guidance, proper support, everything, sir. A very good support from my family, my friends, and also I got very good guidance, sir. When I used to attempt free mock test, first free mock test, and that I got 73 marks. And then madam called me, sir. Aishi madam called me and she analyzed me. She used to guide me wherever I'm doing wrong. So what should I do? Where should I improve? So she used to guide me like this. So I try to improve more and more, sir. So in this way, I corrected my mistakes, and I also increased my accuracy, sir, in this year. So that helped me very lot. Actually, I used to watch the lectures, sir. I used to watch the lectures, and the way you in the lectures, like you used to revise, like wherever the student can make a mistake, you used to tell us, sir. So I used to remember that. And like it used to remind me whenever I used to attempt problems. It used to remind like negative. In some types, we do not place negative, sir. Like here in this year we got a plane stress question.
Yes.
So in that the answer is minus 0.27. So many students were making mistake, like they used to put the answer as a 0.27, sir. So these type of mistakes used to remind us in the class itself, and also some silly calculation mistakes. Also used to remind me like about the question reading, sir. Sometimes we read the question very fastly, we used to take 5 to 10 seconds to read the question.
Yes.
But after seeing the lectures, I used to give importance priority to read the question properly. So then I used to analyze how to solve the question. Initially, while practicing also, I did this, sir. Like
Hmm.
I reading the question properly, and what are the given data, how should we proceed to solve this. I started slowly, sir, but as the time progressed, it improved, sir. Like I used to solve fastly. Like
Hmm.
I used to solve within 1 minute, 2 minutes. If it is too lengthy, it mostly hardly takes 3 minutes,
Hmm.
sir, like that.
Got it.
Oh,
One more point is coming to my mind, which can help some students. That when you were watching lectures from pro video course, how you used to make notes from it? What was your strategy and method of
Uh,
completing the lectures? Because I just checked
uh,
that you have
yes, sir.
completed almost 100% of video lectures, almost
Yes, sir.
100% of all subjects. So what was your method? What was your strategy?
Complete. Like I used to watch classes, sir, pro classes. Then I used some questions were easy, sir, and even though in those easy questions, you used to tell some important points, sir, about where the student will be making mistakes. So I used to note them down, sir. Even now I have those notes. So I used to make notes where a student can make mistakes, sir. I used to keep a star mark, sir, because that was very important for me. Because I was the one my accuracy was very low in gate 2024, so I used to make star mark, and I used to see them more, sir. And some
Hmm.
questions were very difficult, sir. In those, you used to tell us how to approach such type of questions, sir. So I used to note them because those are the questions which will be deciding the rank, sir. So I thought those the way we have to approach those questions, so I used to note them down.
Hmm.
And I sometimes I used to practice those type of questions twice, actually,
Okay.
repeatedly. I used to, so even some there are some questions I did not understand at first, sir. I
Hmm.
thought maybe you are telling there is something in your wrong in your approach, sir. So then I used to like think like for 1 hour. I think, sir, I used to from especially one question from strength of material, sir, deflection question. That question I did not understand for the whole day, sir. So then I got a small idea, sir. So I thought, okay, this is the way I should think. So like that, sir. So
So you
then
used
I
to,
used to write it in my notes. Okay, this should, yes, sir. It
yeah,
should be like
continue.
this. My thought process should be like this.
Got it. So you used to look at the question and then you used to think of how to
Yes, sir.
solve that question on your own before watching the solution.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got
Yes,
it,
sir. Yes,
got
sir.
it. Got it, got it, got it. That's the right
Yes, sir.
strategy actually that I have also told in the course
Yes,
also
sir.
that
Yes, sir. You
try
also
not to
told
go to
in,
the
yes, sir.
solution directly. Yes.
I want to thank you and Ayushi madam, sir, because both of you helped me a lot, sir. Because my problem solving approach completely changed from initial to now, sir. Initially, my approach was completely different, sir. Whenever I was not able to solve a problem, I used to think like it was wrong, sir. There is something mistake in the question. So I used to think like that. But while seeing Exergic Pro, then my approach was completely changed, sir. And then I don't know how to prepare for gates, sir. Actually, there should be a perfect strategy, I know, but I cannot
Yes.
follow that. So when Ayushi madam used to call me during checkpoint test, she used to ask me if you have any doubts, you can ask me. So
Hmm.
I used to ask her about how to prepare, how to revise. Actually, writing, I don't have any plan to write short notes. She recommended me writing short notes, sir, and that helped me very much, sir. Because
Yes.
initially I used to do complete entire syllabus revision in 1 month. It took me 1 month, sir. But after writing
Oh,
short notes, I can able to do complete revision in 2 days, sir. Two
2
days
days.
was
Yes.
very much very yes, sir. 2 days was very much for me, sir. For me. Thank you so much, sir.
Most welcome, most welcome. It feels very good to see a student like you whose journey
Yes,
has
sir.
been very inspiring for every student. So this time you were preparing full time or you were preparing with college or with a job. What was your profile this year?
Full time, sir.
Full time preparation. So there was any
Full time, sir.
added
I prepared full time, sir.
there was
Yes,
any
sir.
added pressure in your mind that this time I have to get a good rank because obviously,
Yes, sir.
huh?
Yes, sir.
So how did you overcome that
Yes, sir.
pressure?
Yes, sir. Actually, it was created by me, sir. I thought initially I don't have any pressure, sir, because I thought maybe I cannot do this year. I will be getting like 60 to 65 marks. So okay, let's adjust with that. But in the first mock test, I got 73, sir, as I told you. So then my expectations was increased, sir.
Hmm.
Then my target was increased to like 85, 80 to 85, sir. So then I started pressurizing myself, sir. I started to put pressure on myself, sir. Why am I not getting good marks?
Hmm.
After the first mock test, I attempted a paid full length test. In that, I got 65, sir. Then I was deeply demotivated, sir. I don't know what to do. So, and even though at the time I did analysis, sir, but I don't know, I don't know that whether I will be able to get to my target or not. So I used to call my friends like that, sir. So they said, okay, it depends upon the test, so you don't worry. And at the time, I think you took some guidance sessions, sir,
Yes.
like with Air 4%, sir. So he told the same thing,
Yes.
sir. Like it depends upon the difficulty level of the test.
Hmm.
So I felt like okay, it's okay. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So there are moments of doubt in the journey for everyone, but you have to make sure that you pass through
Yes,
those
sir.
moments. You don't stop, you don't keep doubting yourself.
No, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They will definitely come in everyone's journey, sir. It's no doubt. But you have to pass through them.
Yes, absolutely.
That's the only reason.
Absolutely. You are correct.
Yes, sir.
What was your revision strategy during this whole time? How you used to revise cyclic revision, or
Uh,
what exactly was the strategy?
yes, sir. Um, Initially, I do revision like first I used to revise all the subjects and then I used to start again with the starting subjects, sir.
Hmm.
So I did like that three times. I did like that. Then I realized that it was not going to helpful for me. So I should do problems also. Then I started a topic wise
Hmm.
test. Um, while revising one subject, after revising that, I used to do topic wise test and then subject wise test, sir. So after doing that, I used to see wherever I'm doing mistakes. So I used to note down, sir. I used to have a notebook. So I used to have uh, even though I'm noting down, I used to do the same mistakes again and again, sir. So I thought I started question bank then, sir.
Okay.
So maybe it would be helpful for me. So I used to do the same question. I used to practice the same question twice and thrice, sir. So it helped me, sir. And revision, while revising itself, you should do problems, sir, because
Yes.
it will help you understand the concepts very clear. Like yes, sir. So cyclic revision is very good, sir, to follow. Actually, while revising, you should do tests. You should attempt tests. And I think after completing subject-wise tests, I started preparing short notes, sir.
Hmm.
I completed my short notes by the end of December, sir. So in the December itself, with the help of short notes, I revised like three times, sir.
Hmm.
Then again resumed writing mock test. So while writing mock test, after writing one mock, I used to revise the entire subject, sir. Like it used to take 3 to 4 days, sir, initially.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. So by the end of January, like I think on the February 1st, I think I started mathematics in the morning. So I completed the entire syllabus revision in one day, sir.
So in GATE 2025, paper as compared to other years was slightly on the was not
Yes,
slightly, it
sir.
was quite on the easy side. So those three
Easy
hours
side,
of
sir. Yes, sir.
exam, yes, those 3 hours of exam.
Yes, sir.
What was your experience? In how much time you completed your entire
Uh,
paper?
Actually, this was completely against my strategy to attempt a gate, sir. I
Okay.
used to plan like in mock tests, whatever strategy I used to decide, I used to follow that strategy. It was good, sir. But when
Hmm.
I went to gate exam, it was because it was easy, sir. It was completely
Yes.
along the flow. I started from the first question and till the end of the question, I did everything in the flow itself, sir. I did not used to put cycles like that, anything, sir. uh, Initially, during mock tests, I used to put cycles, sir. Like whatever the questions I feel like they are lengthy, so I used to put the for mark for review, and the theoretical questions and easy questions I used to solve first. But in the gate
Hmm.
question, in the gate exam, so it was everything easy for me, sir. Like there is no question like that I feel very difficult, sir. Only one question, sir.
Correct.
I did not revise Pelton wheels like hydraulics properly. So
Okay.
seeing the Pelton wheel itself, I left that question, sir. So
Okay.
I completed my paper in 2 hours, 2.5 hours, sir.
Okay.
Actually, I feel that is very long for me, sir, because I used to solve question and again I used to recheck, again calculate. I again calculated, and if I make sure the both the answers were correct, then I used to enter, sir. So
Okay.
even though it happened me like for me 2.5 hours, sir, it took me. And
Okay.
again, I revisited Pelton wheel question and did that, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood. So it was quite easy and smooth
Yes.
experience this time for you. You were easily
Smooth,
able to
sir.
go through
Yes, sir.
all questions,
Yes,
and there was not much need of
yes, sir.
any mark for review, and all those things were of not much use
Yes, sir.
this time in GATE,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
During
sir.
your preparation, since you started in your first attempt where you were not qualified, right, and now you have reached 90 plus
Yes, sir.
marks,
Yes, sir.
so in this entire
Yes,
journey
sir.
there would have been some moments of
Yes, sir.
self doubt, or you were feeling low, you were not
Yes, sir.
feeling
Yes,
motivated
sir.
enough.
Definitely.
So how did you overcome those moments?
Actually, entire 1 year, I was completely demotivated, sir. From 2023 to 2024, that 1 year, I was completely demotivated. I got a doubt, sir, maybe whether I will be able to do or not. So I completely lost confidence in me, and I left that year, sir. So just before 1 month itself, I did revision and I used to attempt mock test. So I was not able to attempt more number of questions in mock test also, sir. So at the time, I casually attempted the gate exam and I got 47 marks, sir. So that was the year. That was that year completely. I was demotivated, sir. Because I'm revising the concept, but I'm not getting marks, and I'm not able to attempt more number of questions, sir. That's the reason why I was demotivated the most, sir. So
Hmm.
after gate 2024, I again watched toppers interviews, sir. So I felt that maybe I did not have a proper practice. So that's the reason why I was
Yes.
not able to attempt more number of questions in this. So this year I focused more on practicing questions, sir.
Mm. So, whenever it's a very good point that he has made, that whenever you are feeling down,
Yes,
you obviously can listen to other toppers and their journey, and you can find out what they did which you can improve. Like Ganateja realized that
yes, sir.
he need to work more towards his numericals by going through the interaction of toppers, and that's why this time he focused a lot on numericals, question bank, test series, everything, which helped him increase almost double his marks. So it's very important for you, whenever you are feeling
Yes,
low,
sir.
you just analyze what exactly you are not doing correctly, listen to other toppers, and from that you will get a better idea, a better direction, that what you can improve. Your journey, again I'll say, has been a very inspiring journey, from not being qualified to crossing 90 marks. So what qualities you feel a gate
Yes, sir.
aspirant must have to get a top rank in gate? What qualities
Uh,
throughout his journey he should have?
uh, the first qualities are hard work, sir. Definitely, you should work hard, sir. Because consistency, we cannot completely follow consistency, sir. Sometimes you feel low, and on that day you may study for 1 hour or 2 hours. You cannot study for long hours, so it will be happening, sir. But you should work hard, sir. Even at that times, you feel you have to motivate yourself. You have to support yourself. It's okay. Like while I was studying, I used to feel like whenever I used to get bored, I used to go out and roam around the, and I used to
Hmm.
come and again used to sit at my place. I used to study, sir. So
Hmm.
at the time, I don't feel motivated, but I used to study even though I don't wanted to, sir, because it's the only way I can do that, sir. Because I
Very
feel
good.
like uh, this year I should get, definitely I should get good marks, sir, because I took so many years. So even though, yeah, if I take this year also, if I lose this year also, then it's like nothing, sir. Because if I, even if I lose this 1 month, I used to work hard for another 12 months, sir. So I kept this in my mind and I realized my situation. So I thought, even though I don't feel like studying, so I used to study, sir.
So being consistently hardworking is very much important. Even if when you don't feel like doing it,
Yes, sir.
just take a walk, talk to your friends,
Yes, sir.
relax for a few minutes, and then come at
Yes,
it
sir.
again. That
Yes, sir.
tendency has brought, Ganateja from his initial attempt of not being qualified to crossing 90 marks in GATE
Yes,
2025.
sir.
Towards the end
Yes,
of the
sir.
session, any final tips, Ganateja, related to anything, related to question, revision, any subject specific, any final tip that you want to give to GATE aspirants?
Uh, Relating to practice, sir, if they are watching lectures, so I recommend them solving problems parallelly from the subjects itself. If you are watching lectures of some subject, do practice questions from the subject by the end of the day. So after the subject is completed, try to do PYQs. So it will be very helpful to understand the concepts clearly. So practice is, you have to do practice parallelly if you want to if you want to complete your gate journey in 1 year. So this should be your plan. And what is the most important thing is, you have to work hard in the last 3 months, because last 3 months is the one which is deciding your gate marks, sir. So in those 3 months, you have to have revision. You should not have a proper number of. You should not have a standard number of count, like I should do 10 times, I should do 12 times, like that. How many number of times you are capable of, you do whenever possible, but you should do revision in such a way that by the end of the gate preparation, you should complete your revision in like 1 2 days, sir. Uh,
Yes.
Total revision.
Yes.
So um, nothing, sir.
So it was very good talking to you, Ganateja. And I am
Yes,
sure
sir.
the
Yes,
tips
sir.
and guidance you have shared with GATE aspirants will help many of them in preparing for GATE in a
Yes, sir.
much better and more efficient way. If you have any more questions that you want to ask, you can comment below and we will have more interaction with Ganateja where we will address your questions. I once again congratulate you, Ganateja, for your success in GATE
Thank you, sir.
2025 and I wish you all the
Thank you,
very
sir.
best.
Thank you, sir.